Very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the week ahead video by Synergy Signals. Purpose of this video, recap on last week, look at the week ahead, literally, have a look at if there's any discussion points, um, identify themes and general direction that we are trading in. So that's the whole purpose, to identify where we sit within the market cycle. And at those points, we then look to refine trade entries. Let's go through it. So let's start up here on AUD CAD. AUD CAD on the always start on the daily. Have a look what the daily's doing. So the daily sort of created this pattern already. You've got first zone, second zone, third. This M typically was the peak of the pattern. So not going to mess around too much up here at the peak. Still the peak. It's just a bit of an extension. We're trading up into the previous high. There is the obvious possibility we're going to make an A, B equals C, D further up. But right here, right now, I believe that we should be showing some form of a slowdown. Look, you can see the pattern here. 1, 2, 3. It's a bit of a reset. Normally you get this low taken out. So nothing to be done on AUD CAD. AUD CHF, let's take a look at you. AUD CHF is, well, let's look at this swing here, for example. We can identify the trend. We know that this AUD CHF is therefore in the process of potentially bottoming. We now need to get confirmation of that process. So this is the first anchor, pivot, second leg. We've seen a change of that lower high, because technically it is, but this is the one that I'm looking for. This is the one, and I haven't seen enough above this wick to let me know that we've got a good situation developing on that, so I'm going to pass. ADNZD, this has been a bit of a beast. We've been in this as well. I haven't actually drawn out the cycle, but it looks like, massive sideways consolidation and then flipping round, pushing higher at the minute. AUD strength against New Zealand. Obviously, lots of commodities, silver, gold, going bananas. Comes from those areas. Aussie strength. Nothing being done there. AUD USD. This is a great example. We've got level 1, level 2. Is this right? Is this wrong? We are anticipating a level 3 that would anticipate dollar strength. Could be wrong here. Listen, we're mapping out where trade could go. It doesn't mean we're in these things. We're just mapping them out. Are they going to follow the template? So far, it's followed the template. This last little bit, was this the low? Everything thrown in, kitchen sink. I believe we're going to come back down here and test. When that will be, I don't know. If we get above here, it's over. That's done, that whole idea. So let's look a little bit closer. Straight up, I can identify a W. I can identify one zone and 2 zones straight off the bat. Just looking at this, W, V1, V2, expect high prices in the short term. What have we got here? We had a week of rise, second week of rise, third week of rise, gap down, no net. I'm not looking for longs, and that's how this is positioned, so pass on that. Right, CAD CHF. This is one we took last week as a signal. This was a real signal. What do we see? Well, what we saw, what's that coming in? What we saw was we had a week of rise, second week of rise, and we're anticipating a third for this week, so it's a good position to be in. I identified this as the first cycle. This is the start of the second cycle. We are hugging the 50 at the minute. We could come down absolutely, but this is a perfectly valid setup. More so here. We have retested here. Very important. We retested the structure. We might need to test this, but so far we are even making another mini W. We complete the ABCD. So that's something we're in. We'll see how that goes. Euro AUD is another hero setup, making the second leg of that W to start the cycle again. So it's still very early days. Framework looks good. Level 1, level 2. Expecting higher prices. We'll see how that one goes. EuroCAD don't really trade it. Let's have a look though. What are you saying to me, EuroCAD? So we got this move. We got this move to shake out this consolidation, and now we have got some form of structure going. We've got level one, level two at the moment, um, and we expect to see continuation in that. We just need to see entries. This is a bit of no man's land, not getting drawn. Euro GBP, heroic. From here, this is the whole concept, all here. V1, V2. Fair enough, you're in the zone to buy. When do you buy? Ultimately, it was looking like this was one, this was two, and then we're going to get three. But rather than give us that three, it spat out. It stopped everyone out. It was a nasty move. It is still a stop hunt. It is still looking promising. It is one that I am going to take long if the conditions present. So we've got the W here. We have had a change of structure. I want to see a break, retest, and entry. This is one I'm very much looking at. Still owes me money. Caused us a stop last week. Euro USD, not so enamored about it. I mean, certainly here, level one, level two. We've made that W structure to start a new cycle, but it hasn't come down and retested it. So it looks amazing. Absolutely incredible. I want to see this touching here. Needs to get down here to be taken seriously, really. It could be on the move. If it is on the move, then this is not something to be missed. Really not. That's a fantastic W to start the cycle again, but we have to keep an eye. This, I do believe, has lower to fill before we start filling higher. Absolutely amazing looking. Excuse me. GA making another big W sort of structure here after completing the market cycle. Again, interesting. Like it. Really nice. Here's another beauty. GBP CAD. GBP CAD giving us level one, level two. And we can identify within the structure one, two, and we're anticipating the three. Hope that's very clear to you all. Not really giving us too much of an edge right now. Looking for this lower high to be taken out. Okay. GU. Like it. Level one, level two. We never came back and retested the apex. Still on the cards. Pushing away now. Lows of level two. Stop hunt below the low. Moving away. Similar kettle of fish. Level one, level two. Got to be in these things. NZD card certainly looking interesting. Level one, level two, level three. First consolidation. We are here indeed. Looking for longs. Moving on through. Let's get on to the dollars. So the dollar really difficult. Ultimately, ultra bullish here. Completing harmonic swings. There's something about this that's just making me think this is a consolidation. This is a consolidation we're going to get down here. Just something about it. And what that means for USD CHF. And some of the others that have been really, really pretty is, well, we're certainly going to keep an eye. This is fairly bullish here. One. If they've tried to create consolidation cycle two and then the W all in one, it can't. I don't believe that's to be true, so I'm going to ignore it. What else is worth showing you? Bitcoin, no, I can't really be bothered. Folks, that's it. If you're watching this for the first time or you've seen one of the ads on X and you're thinking, okay, this is different, I want to find out more, please click the link below, take a 14-day free trial. within that free trial, not only will you get to directly experience how the trades are delivered. Obviously, we send out trade signals via Telegram. You get supporting materials such as the white paper to understand market cycles and access to the harmonic course to understand the harmonic patterns. I haven't really spoken much about them on this video. We have an app as well where you can scan harmonic patterns from yourself in equities and crypto. Other than that, wish you well. See you tomorrow. Cheers.